Today, I'm going to show you how to share your Wix website link. This is a straightforward process that allows you to distribute your site's URL to clients, friends, or anyone you want to view your website. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This section houses all your website projects and gives you access to their management tools. From here, you can see all the websites you have on your Wix account. Take a moment to look through your list and locate the specific website you wish to share. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the correct one, as each website will have its own unique URL. Once you've found your website, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. This action opens up your website in the editing environment. You will now be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor screen. This is where you can make changes to your website's design and content. For now, we're focused on publishing and sharing, so locate the Publish button on the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This button is crucial because it makes your latest changes live and generates the shareable link. After clicking Publish, a small preview window will appear showing you a snapshot of what your website will look like once it's live. Click on Publish again to confirm. From here, you can see your website's Wix URL displayed clearly. Now click on View Site to open your published website in a new tab. A new browser window will appear, displaying your live website. Simply copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. You can do this by clicking inside the address bar, selecting all the text, and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now you can freely share this link by pasting it into any message or email platform. Just press Ctrl+V or Command+V wherever you want to share it. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed and copied your Wix website link, ready to share with anyone you choose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.